Take pumpkin 1 kilogram, wash it, cut along the side of the largest diameter. Remove seeds. Peel off the skin. Cut into cubes. To fill with water. Put on fire. Cover with the lid for 10 minutes. While the pumpkin is cooking, peel the potatoes, 3 pieces. Cut into cubes. Peel and cut the onion into small pieces. Peel and cut carrots into rings. After that, cut it in half again. Pour oil into the pan. Add an onion. Peel and cut the garlic into small pieces. Add to onion, stir with spatula. Add potato and carrot pieces to pumpkin. Stir, cover. I love soup with meat, so I will add chicken fillet. Cut into small pieces. Fill with hot water. Put on fire. Remove foam. Boil 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the fire of vegetables. Drain liquid into a separate bowl. Add as needed. Add fried onions to vegetable mixture. Blend the mixture with a blender. Add sugar, salt, pepper. Cut bread into cubes. Make a mixture of oil, salt, various herbs. To mix everything. Roll slices of bread. Put in the oven at 150 degrees for 20 minutes. Pour cream soup into bowls. Add meat, breadcrumbs, and pumpkin and sunflower seeds as desired. Bon appetit! Thank you for watching, put like, subscribe and bye!